Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on a little walking tour of Dumbo, Brooklyn. So let's get right into it. So the very first thing I did when I left my apartment is stroll on over to the Brooklyn Bridge. On the Manhattan side, it can be accessed in Lower Manhattan near the Financial District at City Hall Park. If you cross the bridge and decide to walk over to Brooklyn, it's about a mile walk, which sounds long, but so many people stop to take photos and enjoy the views of the East River. It was such a beautiful day, so it only took me around like 25-30 minutes. It's really important to note that there is a fork at the bridge, so you should keep left to get off at the right spot. And finally, you will arrive in Dumbo, Brooklyn. Dumbo stands for down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, and the entire area has pretty neat views of the bridges. The first thing that I recommend you do is check out the beautiful artwork. The entire area is filled with a lot of art, mostly around York Street Station. However, you can find it sprinkled a little bit here and there anywhere you go in the area.
Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming.
The second thing I recommend you do while in the area is shop. I checked out the front general store, which is honestly one of the nicest vintage shops I had ever been in. Everything was so organized and cute, but there are so many different stores to choose from. I even found these little indie shopping guides while I was walking around that highlighted all of the local small businesses, so loved that. Next, the girls gotta eat, There are a lot of really good options, including Time Out Market, which is one of those really great something for everyone kind of giant food hall situations, which I love me some of that. But there are also so many different other ones, such as Juliana's Pizza, which I heard is a must try. Myself personally, I got a little something sweet. So it is very hot outside, so I got a tea and a little dessert from One Girl Cookie. Dangerously delicious. While in the area, you can take many great photos, but one of the most iconic picture spots in all of New York, it definitely makes every top 10 list, is on the corner of Water and Washington in Dumbo, because of its views of both the Manhattan Bridge and the Empire State Building in one shot.
I know the break's coming. Know the break's coming.
You definitely have to walk to the water and check out Jane's Carousel. It's been there since 1922 and such a cool view with the bridge in the background, the water in the background, and this cute little carousel. And then Pebble Beach is right next to it, so it's really a perfect little spot. So St. Anne's Warehouse is cool. It used to be a church, and then they converted it into a classical music hall, and now it's a performing arts center where you can see different plays and shows that are going on. But the best part is that there's this sweet little garden right next to it, which we love. Unfortunately for me, there was an engaged couple taking photos at the carousel when I was taking photos. And then I saw them again in this garden, and I think it creeped them out a little bit, so I promptly left. But if you are not following people like a spaz like me, you can take your time. Next, and super important, is to walk along the Brooklyn Bridge Park. It goes on for a really long time. and I would highly recommend doing so. There's something so special about getting that little bit of nature in such a metropolitan area. My original plan was to take the ferry home from Dumbo, but they got a little derailed. Okay, right now I'm in Brooklyn Bridge Park. And you guys, honestly, I don't know what to do right now because I walked so far, but the ferry's not running. So I was going to catch the ferry back home, but it's not. So I'm kind of just sitting in the sun right now, contemplating what my next move is. Yeah, so it's kind of really beautiful out right now, though. Look. Okay, guys, we got a solution. If I walk 10 minutes through this beautiful park, then I can take a different ferry. So that's what I'll do. Oh, hi, Lady Liberty. Okay, so I'm walking to the other ferry now, and that kind of wraps up Dumbo. But no matter what you decide to do here, there's really something for everyone. You can grab a cocktail and watch the sunset at a few different rooftop places. Harriet's Lounge in the One Hotel is often recommended to me. I know on Saturdays there is a flea market called the Brooklyn Flea, which is in Dumbo as well. And then finally, there's some historical things such as the Brooklyn War Memorial. Yeah, so whatever floats your boat, you can find in Dumbo. Speaking of boats, I absolutely love taking the ferry. It's the same price as taking the subway or the train anywhere, but you can do the whole thing on your phone and just scan the QR code to enter. I love to walk up to the top so I can have views of the outside in the city as we're pulling into shore, but it's really a quick ferry, like maybe 10 minutes tops. And that is all for today's video. If y'all liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment below on where I should go next, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.